So, is what I'm about to show you bigger than the Shibarium launch? We've got a lot of stuff moving. This is what I would consider to be breaking news. Is there an equation here, something going on with Elon and or Twitter as far as a major announcement coming from Shiba Inu? Now, we've got some teased messages. I'm going to show you exactly what we have, and we're going to get into this. And apologize for any wind noise we may have, but guys, I have nowhere to record. My house is a complete state of chaos right now with all the construction going on. So just bear with me if you hear wind. I apologize, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys really quickly. Okay, so here's what I have for you. So we've got what we know. We know Shibarium is going to launch at the Futurist concert. I mean, I always say concert. Futurist event. It's not a concert. Futurist event, Toronto. And that starts on the 15th and it goes to the 16th of August next week. Okay, coming right up. It's right around the corner. Okay. Now, leading up to this, we've been getting teasers from Satoshi, from kind of some community members and all this kind of stuff. But this is the one that grabbed my attention. So this is the latest tweet from Satoshi. It says, an equation for my math buffs. I cannot talk today. I won't elongate it. SHIB is greater than X. See right there? SHIB is greater than X. And obviously Elon. So we are obviously speculating. And drop in the comments below, what do you think? Do you think that there's some type of a partnership coming with either Twitter or obviously Elon? You know, Elon has never done an official partnership per se. So I don't know if that's it. We do know that we've got 3 major partnership announcements coming on the heels of the launch of Shibarium. So this could be bigger maybe than Shibarium because these 3 partnerships are on the way. And if you look at the references and the clues, the reference to SHIB is greater than X, I won't elongate it. Okay. We're speculating. I have no idea what this would be. I mean, I'm just going to tell you point blank. I'm not going to cut to, I'm just not going to say it. SHIB is greater than X. There's also been some references to WorldCoin and, you know, the iris scanning that you have to do to get access to the WorldCoin stuff. And maybe Shiba Inu is going to do that differently or better because of the massive community, the massive runway and, you know, brand recognition that Shiba Inu and the community have. Maybe a different version or a better version of, you know, of WorldCoin, the iris scanning scenario. We're speculating here. Okay. So, and look, right. Looks like SHIB is adding a new variable to the equation right there. Okay. So that's the tweet right there. Looks like SHIB is adding a new variable. So what's the variable? Can't wait for the grand reveal. Obviously. So we've got a lot of things moving here, guys. Interestingly enough, I want to know what you think. What do you think this means? And do you think that this is something that is going to have something to do with Elon? Do you think it has something to do with Twitter? Whatever it may be. So before we wrap up, let's take a look at what's going on with the price of SHIB. This is obviously TradingView. This is X1 algo, the momentum up down indicators you see here. This is my own trading indicator. It's on its way. Final website stuff being finished as we speak. Should be launched here very quickly. And a lot of that stuff, I'll talk to you more about that later. But some big stuff I think is around the corner. And again, remember, we've got Shibarium launch. And look, the market is down. And if we look at SHIB, SHIB is up 0.67. We have officially crossed over and taken back that 0. So now we're at 4 zeros and 1 as far as the number goes. So on the 7-day, we're still up 18+% or almost 18. I haven't looked at Leash today. So let's take a look at what's going on with Leash. So there you go. Leash is up 6.3% on the 1-day, 16% on the 7-day, 27% on the 1 month. Let's take a look at Bone. Bone was flat yesterday. So Bone is flat today on the 1-day, 7-day, and on the 1 month. So Bone's waiting. I think Bone is waiting. I've said it all along. I think Bone's going to go north of $2 with the launch of Shibarium. Okay. So yeah, so that's what we got going on there. I'll see you.